Imagine being a fly on the wall in one of the most contentious legal battles of the decade. The hush money trial involving former US President Donald Trump has gripped the nation, teetering between political scandal and legal precedent. This trial isn't just about the alleged concealment of personal indiscretions, it's a complex dance of legal arguments, political ramifications, and public opinion that could reshape America's political landscape. The shadow of controversy often follows power, none more so than in the case of Donald Trump. In the lead-up to the 2016 presidential elections, a storm brewed that now centers on alleged hush money payments. The central figures in this unfolding drama include Trump himself, his former lawyer Michael Cohen, and adult film actress Stormy Daniels, with Cohen as the linchpin handling the clandestine transactions. The timeline is crucial for understanding the sequence of events, starting in 2016 with the payments, surfacing publicly by 2018 with Cohen's admissions, and culminating now in the courtroom. Each step adds layers to a case shrouded in legal complexities and moral questions, painting a rich tableau of the events leading to today's judicial proceedings. At the heart of the trial are the payments made to Stormy Daniels and Karen McDougal, which amount to approximately $280,000 combined. These transactions were allegedly orchestrated by Michael Cohen under Trump's direction to silence the women who were prepared to go public with their stories of extramarital encounters with Trump. The essence of these payments was not merely to safeguard personal reputation, but ostensibly to shield the presidential campaign from scandal. This intertwining of personal indiscretion with electoral strategy forms the crux of the allegations, suggesting a tactical maneuver to influence the electoral outcome by burying potentially damaging revelations. Trump's potential legal jeopardy spans several fronts, primarily campaign finance violations, fraud, and conspiracy. The linchpin of the prosecution's case is proving Trump's direct involvement and intent in these payments, which could significantly breach federal campaign finance laws. Drawing parallels with historical cases like that of John Edwards in 2011, which also involved campaign finance issues related to personal affairs, provides a legal backdrop against which Trump's actions might be measured. These precedents underscore the serious legal ramifications that could arise from proven allegations in Trump's scenario. The trial commenced with a flurry of legal maneuvers, including motions from Trump's defense team aiming to dismiss charges, countered by the prosecution's efforts to consolidate their evidence. Noteworthy in the trial proceedings has been the testimony of Michael Cohen, whose insider account and provided documents have pinpointed the alleged financial trail back to Trump. A pivotal moment was the presentation of checks and financial statements in court, substantiating the cash flow intended for Daniels and McDougal. These documents serve as critical evidence, bolstering the prosecution's case by linking Trump to the payments directly. Trump's defense hinges on portraying the payments as personal rather than campaign-related expenditures. They argue these were private matters aimed at protecting Trump's family from scandal rather than influencing the electoral outcome. This argument draws a fine line between personal liability and campaign finance violations. The credibility of key witnesses like Cohen, who has a criminal history, is also under attack by Trump's legal team, aiming to undermine his testimony and challenge the prosecution's narrative. The defense also suggests that the statute of limitations may shield Trump from some of the campaign finance allegations, adding a layer of legal complexity to their strategy. The prosecution counters by framing the payments as deliberate attempts to manipulate electoral dynamics, thus constituting unreported campaign contributions. The heart of their strategy lies in mapping the flow of money and communications that they claim illustrates Trump's direct involvement and intent. Witnesses from Trump's campaign and business circles, alongside financial records, form the backbone of the prosecution's evidential framework. Legal experts following the trial have noted the meticulous assembly of evidence, which appears to construct a compelling narrative of deliberate legal violations. The trial has polarized public opinion, mirroring the broader political divide in the country. Trump's supporters decry the trial as a politically motivated witch hunt, while detractors see it as a justified legal scrutiny of possible misconduct. The extensive media coverage has only amplified these divisions, playing a significant role in shaping public perception. The implications for Trump's future political ambitions are significant. Depending on the trial's outcome, it could either reignite his support base or severely undermine his credibility and influence, potentially barring him from future public office. The Republican Party finds itself at a crossroads, grappling with internal divisions over supporting Trump amid the legal controversies. The trial's outcome could significantly affect party dynamics and strategy heading into future elections, particularly concerning attracting or alienating moderate voters. Beyond immediate electoral concerns, the trial also raises broader questions about political integrity and ethical governance. It underscores the ongoing challenges in American politics regarding transparency and accountability, potentially influencing legislative reforms in campaign finance and political ethics. Comparing Trump's trial with those of other political figures like Richard Nixon during Watergate or Bill Clinton's impeachment offers valuable insights. Each case brought significant political and legal fallout, reshaping careers and public trust. However, Trump's trial stands distinct in its context and implications. Amidst an era of heightened political polarization and media scrutiny, this trial navigates uncharted waters, making its potential outcomes and impacts uniquely consequential. Legal experts are split, with some suggesting a robust case against Trump based on the evidence presented, while others point to potential weaknesses in the prosecution's reliance on testimonies from figures like Cohen. Political analysts emphasize the trial's timing and its potential effects on the 2024 presidential election, noting that the outcome could drastically reshape the political landscape. Insiders from legal and political circles hint at unexpected developments still to unfold, suggesting that the trial may have more twists in store, reflecting the unpredictable nature of high-stakes legal and political battles. Globally, the trial is perceived as a litmus test for the US legal system's integrity and an indicator of American political health. International media coverage parallels the trial with political scandals worldwide, reflecting on the global implications of governance and justice in the US. The outcome of the trial could also influence US international relations, particularly in how global leaders interpret the stability and predictability of American political leadership. The possible verdicts range widely, from full acquittal to severe penalties, each carrying distinct political and legal consequences. Post-trial, the scenario likely involves appeals and further legal challenges regardless of the initial outcome. Long-term, the trial's ramifications on Trump's legacy, his business dealings, and his standing within the Republican Party will unfold, potentially altering his role in American public life and politics permanently. The hush-money trial of Donald Trump encapsulates more than the legal proceedings. It is a manifestation of a deeply divided America grappling with issues of morality, legality, and political power. As the trial progresses, it not only captivates but also challenges the public, the media, and the political entities to reflect on the foundational values of American democracy and justice. Whether it ends in vindication or conviction, its echoes will resonate through the corridors of power for years to come.